Alright, so in this LinkTree tutorials, I'll be showing you guys how to set up the app on your phone. So I'm going to leave a link to it in the description. When you tap on the link, it's going to take you to the Play Store. So just tap on install, and when it's done installing, you tap open so you can follow along. So after you open the app, well, the first thing you want to do is to sign up if you don't have an account. I have an account, but I'll create another account for this channel. Alright, so tap on sign up. So this is going to show up. So first of all, you want to select your username by tapping on this, and then you can type in the username you want. So I'll use click and tap. So if you get this green check mark, well, it means that the username is available for you. So yeah, that's good. Alright, so next you're going to be asked to input your phone number. If you don't want to use your phone number, you can use your email. So you tap use email instead, then you can input your email. So if the email has never been used on the website or the app, then it's going to get this green check mark as well. So after that, you tap create account. Now you're going to be asked to create a password. So I'll be using an app called Bitwarden to create my password. I have a video about Bitwarden if you want to watch it. It's a very detailed video on how you can use the app to create really complex passwords that no one can guess. So after creating your password, you tap continue. Alright, so now the app is asking for my name, but since I'm creating this for my channel, I'll call it Click. Next, I'm going to select what my channel is about, and I think tech, mobile app. You just go through what your profile is about. If you're into maybe business, creativity, there's a lot of stuff to choose from, and whenever you select any, you're going to get some extra options that you can choose from as well. So with this one selected, I'm going to tap continue, and now they're going to ask you to get the subscription based plan, but for now I'm just going to stick to the free one. And these are the benefits of getting the free plan. So you have unlimited links, social icons, videos. Well, you can go through it. I don't have to talk about it. So I'll tap on continue, and it says thank you for signing up. To verify your account, click on the link sent to your inbox. So alright, so I'll switch to my Gmail account so I can get the link. So this is the email that was sent to my Gmail account. All I have to do now is just tap verify email. Now it says thank you for signing up. So even though it doesn't say anything like verified, I'm just going to tap continue. Okay, so for the email they sent me, well, my account is not being verified. So I'll tap on this so they can resend another verification link. So they said a new email has been sent to my account. I'll wait for the email to get here. Okay, so this is the new email that has been sent, and even though I forgot to say this, whenever you get an email, make sure you tap on this to view where the email is coming from, so you are sure that someone is not trying to get control of your account. Anyway, so I'll tap on verify email and see what will happen this time. Well, after tapping on the button, that notification is gone, so I'd like to assume that my email has been verified. I can come here, and if I go to information, I'll see that yeah, the email is here and it doesn't say anything like unverified also. So I'll keep an eye on that. If anything comes up, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, this is the initial setup process. So I have successfully created the account. So next thing I'm going to do is just give some information about my profile, maybe put up a new profile picture, and that should be all. So I'm going to tap on appearance. Next I'll tap add image. So I'm going to select choose from library because I already have the image I want to use on my device. But if you want to take a picture immediately, you can tap on this. Next I'll tap allow. Next I'm going to select my preferred image. I think I'll use this one. I don't have to crop it or anything. I'll just tap on this. But if you wish to crop it, you can use your fingers to zoom in or out. Okay, I think I'll leave it this way. And then I'll tap on this. The image is going to get uploaded. Okay, so after uploading your image, then you want to give your profile a title. So I'm going to select this. I'll just call it click. Okay, so for the profile title, I just put in the name of the channel. And for the bio, I just said a bit about what I do on my channel. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to show you how to get your LinkTree link so that people can easily access your profile whenever you share the link. So with the app opened, you can tap here, and you're going to get your link. So this is my link. If anyone visits this link, they're going to see my LinkTree profile. All you have to do is just tap on copy, and you can paste it to anybody you want to share it with. Okay, so if you guys have questions, you can leave them in the comments so that when I make extra videos about this app well, I may try to include them. But with that said, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.